friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be trying this Trader Joe's Kimbap Korean Sushi. So this is a new product, and when I learned about it, I really wanted to try it. Looks amazing. So it's a frozen food in Trader Joe's, and they cook it straight from frozen. So I'm just going to cook it on the microwave as they recommend, and here's how to cook it. So you cut the corner of the package to make a hole to allow steam to escape. And now I'm going to take it to the microwave. And I will microwave it for 2 minutes on high. So now the microwave is done cooking, so I'm going to take it out. And I'm just using a towel in case if it's hot. It's actually not too bad, but you know, just in case. And now I'm going to let it stand for 1 minute so it continues steaming, and then I'll try it. So now after 1 minute, let's open the package and see what's inside. Perfect. It looks amazing. And now let's try it. So let me just take one out to show you the close-up of what it looks like. Look at that. It looks so good. And here's another one. And another one. Perfect. So see, the rice looks perfectly steamed, and there is a delicious filling inside. So it's so good to have this instant sushi snack in your freezer. So cooked straight from frozen. If you're having a craving for sushi, this is perfect. And now let's try it. It tastes amazing. It really tastes like freshly made. I would never think that it's possible with frozen sushi. So this particular Korean kimbap, it's eaten hot. So now I'm trying them as they're hot, but you can, if you prefer them cold, you can just let them cool down. They're great too, so totally up to you. So if you have a Trader Joe's near you, I highly recommend you to try it. And no, Trader Joe's is not paying me for this. I genuinely like this product, so I'm just doing a review for you guys to show you the stuff I like. Super tasty, so easy to make, great to have in your freezer. Please go and get it. To check out my other easy recipes for all kinds of devices such as air fryer, microwave, instant pot, and regular recipes, please go to my site, MelanieCooks.com, and you can print all the recipes there. I have over 2,000 recipes. And to discuss cooking tricks and good products like that, please go to my online cooking club site, everydaycookingclub.com. Again, it's everydaycookingclub.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!